Ooh, look at the book of Panda. Panda bear, what do you see? Panda bear, what do you see? Oh, an eagle. An ox. A crazy monkey. Turtle. Sea lion. Ooh, a scary wolf. Whooping crane. A leopard or a panther. A moon man. Dreaming child. The end.
Liam, speed reader.
No. Alright, Liam, open this one.
There you go, buddy. Panda.
You like that? Thank you. Open this one.
You got it, buddy.
Ooh, what you get, buddy? Sure. Oh, whoa, look at these. Land's End house. Wink. 2 T's.
What you got? Oh boy.
Nice, buddy. Looks pretty hip. Right. Woo. Alright, next present.
What else? What else we got? Oh, look at
buddy.
that.
What is that?
Magnet! Oh
no! Way, buddy.
New magnet.
Check it out, bud. Check it out.
Oh boy.
This is on the fridge.
What are you doing with that paper, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Pictures.
Magnet.
Alien.
Easily distracted. Where are you going? Huh? What's here?
Yeah.
What's the matter, buddy?
Oh, look at that one, bud.
Oh, I love you so. Look. I'm just like infatuated with the paper pieces.
Don't rip this, buddy. This is a nice book. Look, I love you so.
There you go.
Oh, I love you. How much? So much. How much is so? Way, way more than you know. I love you as brilliant as each sparkling star, as way out as space. I love you that far. Wow. Pretty cool book, Liam.
Say thank you. Oh, thank you. You're giving me this? Thank you.
What else we got, Liam? Oh.
Want some more papers?
Liam. Here, bud. Liam.